Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in pose and perspective. This sets all later decisions. Draw horizon and one or two vanishing points, then place simple volumes, sphere for head, cylinder neck, ovoid torso, cone tail, so you can see balance. Once done, sketch limb axes with single lines to show motion and weight. Make sure to check silhouette early. A clear outline sells the dinosaur in 3 dimensions. Use light strokes now because these shapes guide musculature, proportions, and camera-facing surfaces. Now refine anatomy by wrapping muscles and skin over the base volumes so the form reads in 3D. Connect joints with overlapping planes and mark bone landmarks like hip sockets and shoulder blades. These create believable motion. Once the structure is clear, carve plane changes. Flat chest, rounded flank, tapered tail, so light will read correctly. Make sure to add smaller volumes for the skull, eyelids, and claws. These details anchor realism and give you precise edges for later shading and texture. Finish by committing to lighting and working from large to small. Block in shadow masses, then refine midtones and highlights to emphasize curvature. Add skin texture, scales, folds, or feathers, respecting underlying planes so patterns wrap convincingly. Once done, clean lines and adjust color blocks to separate foreground and background. If something looks flat, check the silhouette and shadow edge. Often a small contrast tweak or darkening of an occluded area fixes spatial ambiguity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.